hello to all King Auto fanners, and so I'm now for another update ever since 2 months ago for the Canarsie Rockaway Parkway renovation of a bus terminal. So far, let's see what they catch up on. Let's go to the other side. Oh look, one of my fellas parked 4815 on here. That's kind of funny, but that's because they want to block it so that nobody could see the construction, but still I could see it. Let's see what they've done so far. Well, it's gonna be finished by fall, but I mean, they're still working on it, so yeah. That's all for the update, so thanks guys for watching.